video, we will compute the following limit. The limit as t approaches 0 of the function 4 to the 2t minus 1 over 4 to the t minus 1. Immediately, when we attempt to evaluate our function at t is equal to 0, and our denominator 4 to the 0, so anything to the 0 power is 1. So we get 1 minus 1, which makes our denominator 0. So we can't immediately just apply our limit. And we also get the same thing, we'll get 0 in our numerator. So this is of the indeterminate form, 0 over 0. So we'll need to do a little bit of work to compute this limit. One thing we can notice is that 4 to the 2t is the same thing as, I'm going to take this limit as t approaches 0, 4 to the t squared minus 1 over 4 to the t minus 1. And that is because when we take an exponent and raise it to an exponent, we just multiply those two numbers together. So 4 2t is the same thing as 4 to the t power squared. In our numerator, we actually have a difference of 2 squares because 1 is the same thing as 1 squared. So we can factor our numerator. This gives us the limit as t approaches 0 of 4 to the t minus 1 times 4 to the t plus 1 over 4 to the t minus 1. Because we have a common factor of 4 to the t, we can go ahead and cancel that out. So this now gives us the limit as t approaches 0 of just the function 4 to the t plus 1. Now, when we attempt to compute this limit, we no longer have a denominator and we're not running into any problems. So when we go ahead and evaluate it at t is equal to 0, we're not going to write our limit symbol because we're going to compute the limit now. We'll get 4 to the 0 plus 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1, so we'll get 1 plus 1, which gives us a final answer of 2. So our limit as t approaches 0 of the function 4 to the 2t minus 1 over 4 to the t minus 1 has a final answer of 2.